Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons the same size in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you're designing a professional-looking website and want your call-to-action buttons to maintain consistent dimensions across your page. Let's jump right in and get those buttons looking uniform. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your command center where you manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages you've created for your site. Scroll through until you find the specific page you want to edit, and when you locate it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Editor interface where you can make all your design changes. Now that you're in the Elementor Editor, it's time to add your button. You can either click on the button widget from the left sidebar or simply drag it onto your page where you want it to appear. The button widget is one of Elementor's most versatile elements for creating clickable calls to action. After you've placed the button on your page, click on the button widget to select it. You'll notice that various customization options appear in the left panel. This is where the magic happens. Head over to the Style tab and look for the Position option. Once you click on Position, you'll see a submenu appear. From this submenu, select Stretch. This option is the key to ensuring your button expands to fill its container, which creates that uniform appearance you're looking for. Now here's where it gets really efficient. If you want to create multiple buttons that are exactly the same size, you don't need to go through this entire process again. Simply click on the button widget to select it, then look for the 6-dotted icon that appears. This icon represents the widget handle. Right-click on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select Duplicate. This creates an exact copy of your button with all the same size settings already applied, saving you tons of time and ensuring perfect consistency. And there you have it. You've successfully made your buttons the same size in Elementor, giving your page that polished, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.